Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a video that you guys haven't seen a lot of lately, which are my design with me videos. Recently I have moved a lot of my design videos over to my membership. So I try to put out design videos for them as much as I can because I feel like they're really fun to watch for somebody who needs them. But I want to keep this channel specifically to DIY and fun DIY stuff, not so much design, but I do a lot of designing with my members. So this is a design tutorial, and I'm also going to show you how to actually make the cake topper in this. So it's super cute and it's really fun. And actually I started making these because people were like, not knowing what to put on their cakes, and I was like, hey, I can make a really cute cake topper, super easy. So I'm gonna show you how to design them today. And then you would basically just cut them out, and I usually use chopsticks, and I paint the chopsticks minus the bottom where they're gonna go into the cake, and then I stick them into the cake. So I'll try to get a finished one together and take a photo for you, but if I don't, at least here's how to design it. All right, let's get going. I thought I would show you how to make easy print and cut cake toppers, or cupcake toppers in this case. So all I did was went on Google and found the PJ Masks images I wanted and uploaded them as PNGs. They can be JPEGs as well so that they have a white background and you can just delete that. But I created a circle just by adding a shape right here, and I'm going to layer them on top. I can change this to be any color I want. Unless I wanted like a pattern circle, but say I wanted this to be a red background, I could change it to red, and we could make the words in a white if we wanted to, or really any color that Design Space offers we can do. So I kind of like light blue for Catboy and maybe a light green for Gecko. Okay, so then what I want to do is I want to add text. I'm going to put happy birthday Mason, so I'm just going to use curved text here. So I'm going to type out the words I want, happy birthday, and then I am going to click curve, and I'm going to curve it into a circle. And if you're doing just a circle, this is really easy to use Design Space for this. If you need something more than a circle, then I have another video that explains how to curve text a little bit better. So you can change the letters to be even closer together by clicking here, and this will squeeze them together, or you can manually do it if you notice these are going to kind of be funky. So what I actually want to do is separate it just because it's a lot, and let's try to change the font and see what happens. So if we change the font to something a little thinner, it might fit on there a little better. So let's go do something, some of them might make it even more. So this looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna do happy birthday. I'm actually gonna change this to white, and then we're gonna flatten this in a second, and I'm gonna do Mason, and then I'm gonna curve it the other way. So it goes like this, and make it smaller so that it fits down here, and it can fit right in there. And then I'm gonna make this white as well. You can make it a different color if you want to match Catboy, like if you want it to be a navy blue and these to be navy blue. I like white though because I think it pops. So let's do that, and then let's make Catboy fit right there. And then before I flatten this, I'm just going to hold the shift and click happy birthday and Mason and Command C, Command V, or you can do copy paste wherever it is. But I'm just going to move it right over to here and do the same thing. I'm going to move Gecko by right clicking him to the front so he kind of overlaps, and I don't like him going over the A though, so I'm going to bring Mason to the front, and then he'll be in front of happy birthday but behind Mason. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select all of this and flatten it, and then we're going to select all of this and flatten it, and then we're going to resize it to what we want. So if we want it to be a 2-inch cake topper, we'll make it 2 inches and 2 inches. And what this does is makes it really easy to cut because it'll cut it out of a circle, and we can just click make it, and then you can select how many you want. I'm gonna do front and back, so if I have 10 cupcakes, I'm gonna actually need 20 of these. But if I can only fit so many on one sheet, there's no point in doing multiples. So I can fit 3 by 4, I can fit 12. So I'm gonna do, I can do, right now I have 10. Oh, 10 of each. So I can do 6 of each. That's why. Okay, so I can fit that, and then I'll need to, you know, for however many cupcakes I'm making, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is enough for 6 cupcakes altogether. So if I would just print and cut multiple of these, as many as I need. All right, I hope that helped you guys. Love you guys. Bye.